Hi, so my name is Rachel Williams. I'm majoring in psychology, but I am doing marriage and family counseling. So I want to be a marriage and family counselor. So the job description is I would counsel families, couples, and individuals through emotional and mental crises. Use techniques such as mindful meditation, diagnose mental illness, and write referrals accordingly. Resolve relationship conflicts, educate individuals and families on conflict resolution, stuff like that. Master's degree. So the required education is a master's degree in marriage and family counseling or some other major relating to psychology. My 4-year plan. The plan, that is, if all goes according to plan, is that I will get my bachelor's degree by 2022, which would put me getting my master's degree in 2024 or 2025. Currently, I'm setting goals and making efforts to getting as many internships as I can. I also plan to try to be an RA for at least one of my professors. The reason I picked psychology is pretty much that, I love to help people and make a difference in people's lives. And in addition to this is a topic that I've felt very passionate about for quite a while now. In addition to this, I found a lot of things that I'm interested in and care about point to psychology, as well as just generally, it's what I'm passionate about. So, for chapter 13, it's talking about why you should choose a major, what major you should choose, why you should pick psychology. And I picked it for what I think are the right reasons. I'm passionate about it, and it's one of my main interests. Here are my resources, and here is me.